petition to be signed
It's a nursing home.
so that they just can't impound your vehicle. For
How long ago?
Oh, for any reason?
Yeah.
I will agree to that.
there's drugs, alcohol,
Because
anything.
how can
Okay, and you. Yeah, because if my kid would turn around and went out and got it, you have to get in trouble with my vehicle. And got my car and the guy broke his neck. I know,
This is cat food.
Okay, here's the thing of cat food.
That's it.
And we're
Thanks, Sharon.
open.
How old are you, Sharon?
6 years old, he weighs 120 pounds.
Oh, wow.
My female weighs 100 pounds. My brindle boxer is only 47 pounds.
Okay, now we're
And my schnauzer's 28 pounds.
probably will. And I've got 2 dogs and a cat, and I can't keep up with everything.
Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday.
Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate it so much.
How big is the dog? Is it a lab or what is it? Medium size? And one cat, right?
Or you can get waivers from city council, waiver just told
Waivers for what?
car.
Well, then they better give me a waiver because they've already stopped me.
I'll listen to your volunteer.
Cindy?
Yeah,
What's your last name?
Mabry, M-A-B-R-E-Y.